We got like 2 feet of snow so far and it is still nuking. But I'm gonna clear off my car even though I'm not driving anywhere, just so I can keep up with it, because after a certain point clearing off feet and feet and feet of your car becomes like kind of impossible. So this is my car cleaning fit. Let's go. Watch out. Go get it! I know, I'm scared.
Why?
Go!
I'm pretty safe as far as snow features go, because there's a whole
Come here!
table.
It's over there. Go! Where is it? Yes!
High five, come. Oh.
Stanley.
Hi!
Go get her, Kai. Go, go. Go.
Stanley, save me! Stanley, go find her. Where is she?
Kai, where's Mom? Go get her. Go get Mom.
Looking so cute. We ran out of diesel, so I'm freezing. Diesel. Anthony brought me a coffee. There's a ton of snow, like 4 feet. You probably saw yesterday when I was at the park. But I'm about to go skiing. It's my friend Joshua's birthday, so we're gonna go take some birthday laps. And yeah, we'll see where the day takes us, but I'm very stoked to ski. Guys, look how beautiful it is. And I'm freaking out. Okay, so we just got a new e-bike, and we just got their Ultra, which is like a hardtail mountain fat tire bike, and it is so badass. I'm so stoked on it. Wait until you see this thing. Look at it. Leash.
Oh, a leash. Okay.
That's
awesome.
awesome.
Leash. Peak. It's like a perfect little peak.
This is so pretty. I can't believe you guys live.
I can't see my mouth that's open.
This is insane.
Oh, they get a.
It's
The
so
rain.
beautiful.
I wish I had my
Me
camera.
too. This is like the worst.
Woo woo.
Day to day.
That whole time too.
Sweet.
Okay. We'll say hello to your biggest